Imagine walking into your kitchen after a long, tiring day. You're hungry, exhausted, and the last thing you want is to chop vegetables or wash dishes. But instead of ordering takeout, you simply say, "Hey robot, start dinner." In just a few minutes, a hot, restaurant-quality meal appears on your table. Perfectly cooked, delicious, and made without any human effort. This is no longer science fiction. The most advanced cooking robots are already transforming kitchens around the world, from fancy restaurants to future homes. In Japan, Toyota's Motoman SDA-10 robot flips perfect okonomiyaki pancakes with chef-like precision using its two mechanical arms. Connected robotics kitchens prepare Japanese noodles at high speed, solving severe labor shortages. Even humanoid robots like 1X Technologies Neo are competing in cooking challenges, cutting, mixing, and cooking while learning from humans. Singapore's Ratio Cafe uses robotic arms to make over 50 different drinks and snacks consistently. In Tokyo, the Sawyer robot brews perfect coffee, replacing several employees. Bangkok's Hajime Robot Restaurant features dramatic samurai-style robots that cook, serve, dance, and even entertain kids. China is leading with versatile humanoids like Astrobot S1, which can cook, set tables, pour wine, and learn new movements through AI. The UK's famous Molly Robotics Kitchen costs around $333,000. It has two robotic arms. Two, trained by master chefs, follows over 5,000 recipes, and even cleans up afterward. In the US, Flippy by Miso Robotics fries burgers and wings in busy restaurants. Stanford's mobile Aloha learns complex tasks like frying shrimp just by watching a few demonstrations. Tesla's Optimus is already acting as a bartender and is being trained for home cooking. Other impressive examples include Richtech's Atom and Scorpion robots mixing drinks perfectly, Cafe X running fully autonomous coffee bars, and fully robotic restaurants in China serving hundreds of dishes with almost no human staff. Hyperfood Robotics builds entire container kitchens that cook pizzas at high speed and clean themselves. These robots solve big problems: labor shortages, inconsistent quality, and high staff costs. They deliver surprising delicious results with precision every single time. But here's the exciting part for regular people. Truly affordable cooking robots under or around $5,000 are emerging fast in 2026. Germany's Thermomix TM7, priced around $1,700, is one of the best all-rounders. It chops, weighs, stirs, steams, and follows guided recipes with thousands of options, perfect for busy families. Newer AI-powered options like Posha Kitchen Robot, around $1,500 to $1,750, can sear, simmer, and build full meals like stir-fry or pasta automatically, feeling like having a private chef at home. In Asia, smart cookers from brands like Upliance and others under $1,000 excel at local curries, rice dishes, and everyday meals with app control. While we don't yet have a full humanoid chef for $5,000, these smart systems already save hours every week, reduce cooking mistakes, and produce tasty, consistent food. The future is clear. Robotic cooking is becoming more accessible, more delicious, and more affordable every year. Prices are dropping rapidly as technology improves. So the big question is, would you let a robot cook your dinner every night? The era of robotic chefs has truly begun, and it's shocking the world with how good the food tastes. What do you think? Are you ready for a robot in your kitchen?